Today, I'm going to be showing you this 2010 Toyota Corolla LE. I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this Corolla. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this 2010 Corolla is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look, just over on the side here, you'll see your 15-inch wheel. Now, you also have your foldable mirrors, as well as your heated mirrors. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. How about we start off by taking a look at the front dash, as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now, you have your plush seat surface. And if we take a look just over on your left-hand side, you're going to see your traction control on and off, as well as your mirror controls. And on the driver's side door, you have your window locks, power door locks, and controls both your front and rear windows. There are no controls on the steering wheel, but you have your cruise control function. So I'm just going to start it up, so you see the instrument cluster and the kilometers, just so you can see what it's currently sitting at. Now, taking a look on the left-hand side there, you are going to see your exterior temperature gauge, as well as a couple of other additional features in here as well. Up here you have the sun visor with a mirror. And you also have the front cabin ceiling lights. Now, taking a look at the center dash, this has an aftermarket infotainment 7-inch display. The center dash includes your hazard lights, and you have climate control just below. You'll also find your typical controls with your modes, select fan speed, temperature control with your AC and rear defroster. Located down below, you'll see your auxiliary input. You'll also find some space down below there with the power outlet, automatic transmission, and 2 cup holders. You also have the center armrest with a storage space. And if you take a look just over on the side there, you have these 2 glove compartments. So you have one on top that, as well as on the bottom there, for additional space. Let me show you the back seat. Closing in, you have the back seat that can fit in 3 people. It is quite a small space for a reasonable legroom, if you ask me. Let me quickly open the hood and the trunk. First, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your trunk. With a keyless entry feature, taking a look at your key fob, you have your lock, unlock, trunk release button, and a panic button. So if you hold down the trunk release for about 2 seconds, it'll open up for you, and you can also open it from the driver's floor mat area. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. So as you can see, you have some smaller compartments where you can store smaller items just in the storage space there. If you do need the additional space, you can actually pull down the 60/40 split rear seat as well. Underneath you have your exhaust. Taking a look from this other side, you have a clearer look at the cloth seats. Now, let's open the hood to have a feel of what the engine bay looks like. Now, let's take it for a quick test drive. Thank you so much folks for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Do have a wonderful day.